In this video, I'm going to show you how to make gradient background in Canva. So let's get started. First, create a new design. We're gonna create YouTube thumbnail, but it works in any design you want. Okay, I'm gonna use this nature template. That's perfect. And we're gonna rid of this background here. Okay, so how to make gradient background? Click on your background, click here, background color, and then all the way down you can see these gradient backgrounds. So if you click one of them, that's it. And this is how can you do it. They are really nice. I use them a lot for my thumbnails. And this is how can you do it. So if you create a new, I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So just create a new design. YouTube thumbnail. And you don't need to use templates, obviously. Just click on this background, click here, background color, and all the way down you got the gradients, backgrounds. And you will just choose one, and then you can put some text here. And that's it. This is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel. See you later. Goodbye.